This is a lovely last hurrah for September. I've put together these gorgeous uplifting autumn colours with a bit of a twist as well. We've got this lovely purple of the Lobelia, Hadspen Purple. You've got helenium in here. You've also got one of my favourite plants. I love this Lobelia tupa, which has the most extraordinary kind of burnt orange to rose madder shades, and those really pick up the tones of the achillea we've got down here and also the rudbeckia. So there is a lot going on in this pot, and I really wanted to create this kind of great big uplift of cheery colour. And to soften it all up, you've got this lovely Pennisetum villosum here with its gorgeous little fluffy flower heads, which really just create this sort of wash of a blur through the rest of the colours.